Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, David. I miss you guys so much. Now I'm back and I'm gonna do some skateboarding videos right now. And guys, remember Alex, but he likes to be called Midas.
Don't say that.
Okay, hold on, guys. Wait a second. Hold on, guys. His name is Alex, but he likes to be called Midas. He likes to be called Midas because he plays Fortnite. He lost his skin. So just call him Midas.
Let's go.
Alright, guys. Here is Midas. Midas is here. Look at it's Midas. You guys probably missed him. Alright, so guys, let's do a skateboarding video. Today we're going to do a skateboarding video.
Yeah. I do.
Okay, so Midas,
Yeah.
you're going to skateboard. You're going to record me. Okay, I want you to go all the way down there. No, we need down low. Oh, no, we don't. Never mind.
And then
Alex, go down there. Do you know how to vlog? Alright, so you're going to point this at me, click that button. But not yet, until you get down there. All the way down there. Alright, guys, I'm going to talk with you.
Alright, guys. Good. Alex, press the button.
I did.
3, 2, 1, let's go.
See, he's right.
Catch.
Damn. Bomb.
Let's go.
He's...
Alright, your turn. Alex, your turn.
Okay, Midas, I mean.
Do it close, okay?
No, not close. How'd you get mine in? Oh, no. I think mine didn't come out good. Alright, you're going to get the angles, man. Angles. It's going to come good. Alex, ride it on your feet.
No.
I don't know what he's going to do, guys. He doesn't know how to skateboard. Oh, look, he's coming, and boom! He went far. Much. Alex, here. You're gonna get me good, okay? All right, but don't zoom in for me.
You're probably going to see.
Oh boy.
Dad, ready? Ollie. Got it.
Yeah.
What? See the wheel come on?
Here, guys. How was that, guy? Comment down below. Here's Alex. Alex, go on your belly this time. Midas, go on your belly this time.
No, not on your belly.
Why?
Because it hurts.
No, it doesn't. No, you guys won't be able to see him. Okay. I know you guys don't see good. But you guys will see him good. Right there. Let's go. Good job. All right, Santa Claus. All right. All right, boys.